In this video, we are going to talk about a very important tool in Microsoft Excel. The tool is called text to column. You will find this tool under the data tab. This is text to column. So what is the function of this text to column? It is used to separate one column into 2, 3 or more columns. This tool is very important when you need to deal with a huge amount of data. Here we have opened a spreadsheet. In column A, we have ship mode. In B, we have profit. In C, we have unit price. D, we have shipping cost. In E, we have customer name. But we want to separate this column into two. This will be the customer's first name, and this will be their last name. If you want to separate it manually, it will take huge amount of time. So in order to do this smoothly, we'll first select this column, go to text to column button under the data tab, select it. See, here a dialog box will open. Choose the file type that best describes your data. Characters such as comma, text separate is filled. Here you see that there is only space between first name and last name. So we will select delimited, select next. So what will be the delimiter in this case? It will be simply space. See, Muhammad space Makian3. There is a space between first name and last name. So we select a space, untick tab, select next. See, in the dialog box, we'll see how our data is arranged. Everything is fine. So select finished. That's it. Names are separated in two columns. Name it first name. It will be last name. That's it. This tool is very useful when you need to work with a very large data set, and it is hugely important in order to organize the data. Sometimes you have comma separated values in a single column. You can just use this text to column button, text to column formula, and select comma semicolon as the delimiter. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.